Okay guys, this is a video on a 2012 Tacoma 4-cylinder where I am I'm cleaning the diverter valve that is placed there. So I have that in my hands. To remove that is just 4 bolts right there. You can see the holes there. So I had to remove the filter housing with the hose, or the line that goes, the air hose that goes through there to get to it. Just makes it easier. Remove the 4 bolts, took it out, and then pulled the whole diverter valve with the hose, because this end is kind of tough to take out. The other end is easier. Oops, sorry. Oh, but hopefully everything's good here. Took this apart. This goes here. It was like this originally. Sorry guys. Let's see here. So this was like so, and it was like really stuck in there. And so what I did was try to remove the original screws out of here. Had trouble doing it, and this is what happened to the original screws. Basically the head broke off. I was lucky enough to, when the head broke off, this thing just comes out, like pries out with that. And then I was lucky enough that the other end of the original bolts, I was able to grab some channel locks and unscrew them, and the threads were still good. But I just got me a you could use any really, but this has a 632 size tap, and I use that with some 632 bolts, and just put it back, and then just cut the bolts out. Sorry for doing this with my phone in one hand. Just use some pair of cutters, right, to cut the bolt ends. And I had to finish it off with a Dremel to try to make the head, make the screws not stick out so much. And now I have it ready to go back in, and should be good. So that's the cleaning process.